Let me show you how to verify your age on iPhone. After the iOS 26.4 update, Apple now verifies users' ages for website restrictions and third-party app downloads. To verify your age, tap on Confirm. Then tap Continue and scan your credit card. If you don't have a credit card, you can verify through a government ID. Simply tap on Cannot scan a credit card. Then tap Continue and scan the front of your ID card. After that, tap Continue. Turn over your ID card and scan the back of the ID. Once the scan is complete, tap Continue. It will take a moment, and your age will be verified automatically. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.